Hello and welcome back to my channel, where we talk all things making money online and YouTube. Today, I am going to share with you my most accurate and detailed information about how to quit your 9-to-5 with these 3 Etsy store ideas, 6-figure strategies. So, you want to quit your 9-to-5 and make a 6-figure income with your Etsy store? Well, you've come to the right place. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. As an expert in making money online and YouTube, I have the inside scoop on how to use Etsy to your advantage and make serious cash. First things first, let's talk about what Etsy is and why it's such a great platform for making money online. Etsy is an online marketplace where people can buy and sell unique, handmade, and vintage items. It's a great platform for creative individuals who want to turn their passions into profit. And with over 81 million active buyers, there's a huge audience waiting to discover your Etsy store. So, how can you use Etsy to quit your 9-to-5 and make a 6-figure income? Well, I'm going to share with you 3 Etsy store ideas that have proven to be incredibly successful. Idea number 1: digital downloads. Digital downloads are a great way to make passive income on Etsy. They can range from printables, templates, and designs that customers can download instantly. And the best part? You only have to create them once, and they can be sold an unlimited number of times. Idea number 2: personalized products. Personalized products are always in high demand on Etsy. This could include custom jewelry, personalized phone cases, or even custom clothing. Customers love having something unique and personal, and they're willing to pay a premium price for it. Idea number 3: niche products. Niche products are items that cater to a specific audience or interest. This could include items for specific hobbies, fandoms, or even pets. By targeting a specific niche, you can create a loyal customer base that will keep coming back for more. Now, let's talk about 6-figure strategies for your Etsy store. These are the tips and tricks that will take your store from a hobby to a full-time income. Starting with strategy number 1: keyword research. This is a crucial step in ensuring that your Etsy store appears in search results when potential customers are looking for products similar to yours. To conduct effective keyword research, you can use tools like Google Trends, Etsy's search bar, and third-party keyword research tools to identify the most popular and relevant keywords for your products. Once you've identified your target keywords, make sure to incorporate them into your product titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help to improve your store's visibility and increase the likelihood of potential customers discovering your products. Moving on to strategy number 2: social media. Social media is a powerful marketing tool that can help you to reach a wider audience and promote your Etsy store to potential customers. To make the most of social media, create a strong presence on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Use high-quality images and videos to showcase your products, and make sure to use relevant hashtags and keywords to help potential customers find your content. You can also consider partnering with influencers or running social media ads to reach an even wider audience. Finally, strategy number 3: customer service. Providing excellent customer service is key to building a loyal customer base and increasing sales. Make sure to respond to customer inquiries in a timely manner, and consider offering free shipping or other incentives to encourage repeat business. You can also gather feedback from customers to improve your products and customer service. This can be done through surveys, reviews, or by simply asking for feedback after a sale. By implementing these 3 strategies, you'll be well on your way to quitting your 9 to 5 and making a 6-figure income with your Etsy store. Remember to be patient, persistent, and dedicated to your business, and success will surely follow. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite tips from this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.